Do you dream of never having to do anything and still making money? Would you believe me if I told you that there are legitimate ways you can make $100 or more every single day by doing almost nothing? You wouldn't, right? Well, keep watching till the end because you definitely will. We all might have heard people say there is no such thing as lazy money, but hardly anyone completely testifies to that. Sometimes in life, people deliberately choose the more arduous path and punish themselves, even when they're not ready for it, because they're brainwashed to believe that money can only be achieved the hard way. But what if the easier path got us the same result? In today's video, we'll take you on a stroll through the easier path in life and guide you on two fantastic but lazy ways of making money online right now. Starting with flipping items on eBay. Yes, the concept is pretty cliche, some might even call it a pretty outdated way of making money. And whenever we hear the word flipping, it reminds us of something we used to do with candies back in high school. However, the flipping technique we'll be discussing right now does not call for purchasing and renovating real estate or trips to your local garage sale to pick up 20-cent books and resell them for 40 cents. With this technique, you can make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every month without even having to step out of the house before a sale is made, and you've already been paid for it. The way this is going to work is that you'll essentially be flipping products from Amazon onto eBay and charging a bit extra for them on top of the sale. So if a mini washing machine is selling for $200 on Amazon, you're going to list it on eBay for $250 or more, keeping the $50 on top as your profit. This requires no skill, talent, experience, or any sort of large investment whatsoever. So if you want to turn $200 into $300 or more without having to do anything, here are the steps you need to follow. Firstly, go to Amazon.com and pick a popular product that you'd like to flip. It doesn't need to be anything expensive. Something like a mini washing machine, blender, microwave, or children's bunk bed that's under $200 should work just fine for your first flip. Now move over to eBay and list the same product with some changes in the product description and photos. If you're too lazy to do that, just hire someone on Fiverr or Upwork for a few dollars and have them create eBay listings for you. Now, whenever a sale takes place, eBay will notify you and the money will be transferred from the customer into your bank account. Use that money to purchase the same product from Amazon and have it shipped directly to the customer's address and keep your profit. Keeping the sum modest, even if you manage to flip only 10 products a month and profit $100 per sale, you'll easily do it by making $1,000 extra without having to do almost anything. The best part about doing this is that it's completely risk-free, since you'll only be purchasing the products when a customer has already placed an order and paid for it, meaning that you won't be spending a single dollar from your own pocket. The next lazy way of making money does not even call for having your own product, as it involves promoting affiliate products. We've discussed affiliate marketing, products, and networks quite a lot on this channel. In fact, that's what this channel is mainly about. But if you don't already know what affiliate marketing is, it is essentially a type of marketing where businesses and companies pay commissions to individuals who promote their products and increase sales. These individuals are called affiliates or publishers, and they are generally paid a set percentage commission for each sale they bring in. Most of the time, affiliates use websites, blogs, social media, and solo ads to bring in traffic and promote these products to potential customers. There isn't a step-by-step guide to how you can get started with affiliate marketing, as it is more about self-learning through trial and error for the most part. However, here are some outlines of how your affiliate marketing journey should look like. First and foremost, start by choosing an appropriate affiliate network. We've discussed different types of affiliate networks on this channel, but the three things you should be looking for in an affiliate network are high converting offers, a low minimum payout threshold, and a low barrier of entry. Some of the affiliate networks that fit this criteria include ClickBank, Amazon Associates, and TapMob. Although TapMob is an invite-only program, there is a way to sign up for an account without any sort of invitation or experience. Check out the recent video to find out how. Well, now that your affiliate network is in place, it's time to find a way of promoting offers. Yes, you can use solo ads, create a website, write blog posts, and try promoting your offers that way. But doing that will require loads of time and consistent effort, which takes the ease away. So, is there a way you can create something once and help your affiliate offer reach millions of people in no time? Yes, you can. The way you're going to do this is by using YouTube videos. Now I know what you might be thinking. Don't YouTube videos require effort as well? And yes, they do. But the type of videos you'll be making do not require much time or effort and can be made using simple stock footage and text. You don't even have to maintain the channel or upload videos frequently. Just create a video whenever you're ready to promote the next affiliate offer, try your best to keep it relevant to the product you're promoting, and you're all set. If that's still too much effort for you, just hire someone through a freelance site like Fiverr and have them create a video for you for about $25 or $30. If you're promoting an affiliate offer that pays a commission for each vision-restoring multivitamin container sold, you can create something like this magical multivitamin restores your vision in 6 months. Upload it to YouTube and add your affiliate link in the description. With such an appealing title, if your video gets 100,000 views, 10% of the people clicking on your affiliate link, and only 5% who actually make the purchase, you're still bringing in 5,000 sales per video. Can you just imagine the insane amount of money you'll be making even if each sale earned you just $10 in commission? Many introverted affiliate marketers who are not okay with being in front of the camera or well versed in running ads use such content to promote their affiliate offers. Well, we're finally coming to an end now, but before I sign off, I've got a quick suggestion for you. Since you've watched this video till the end, I'm guessing you're a pretty lazy person who wants to learn more about making money but doesn't have the time to go through never-ending training and courses, right? Well, I'd suggest subscribing to this channel because there cannot be a lazier way of gaining money-making knowledge than this. Every time a new video comes out, just watch it till the end, implement what you learn, and watch your bank balance grow. Yes, it is really that simple. Anyways, that is all for today, guys, and I will see you in the next one soon.